GE dishwasher won't drain. Question from user Aranthar at Appliances at Reddit. Answer. If your GE dishwasher is not draining, there could be a few possible causes for this issue. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can take to identify and potentially resolve the problem. Check the drain hose. Ensure that the drain hose is properly connected to both the dishwasher and the sink drain or garbage disposal. Make sure there are no kinks, clogs, or obstructions in the hose that could be preventing water from draining. Clear the sink drain or garbage disposal. If your dishwasher drains into a sink drain or garbage disposal, check for any clogs or blockages. Use a plunger or a drain snake to clear any debris that may be obstructing the drain. Clean the air gap. Some dishwashers have an air gap installed on the sink or countertop. It prevents water from flowing back into the dishwasher. If you have an air gap, remove the cover and clean out any debris that may be blocking it. Check the drain pump. The drain pump is responsible for pumping out water from the dishwasher. If it's not working properly, the dishwasher won't drain. Inspect the drain pump for any clogs, foreign objects, or damage. If necessary, clean or replace the drain pump. Inspect the drain valve. The drain valve opens and closes to control the flow of water out of the dishwasher. If it's stuck or defective, water won't be able to drain properly. Examine the drain valve to ensure it moves freely and is not blocked or damaged. If needed, replace the drain valve. Run a reset cycle. Sometimes, performing a hard reset can help resolve issues with your dishwasher. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it from the power source. Wait for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart the dishwasher. Consult the user manual. If none of the above steps resolve the problem, refer to the user manual that came with your GE dishwasher. It may have specific troubleshooting steps or error codes that can help you identify the issue. If you're still unable to resolve the problem, it's recommended to contact GE customer support or a professional appliance repair service to further diagnose and fix the issue.